Hi, today I'm over here to discuss a case of one of my client, Shobham Agri. Now they are an MSME unit. They are not a status holder or an EOU unit. They got an order for exports of rice from an African customer. They did all the due diligence that they had to do, as any one of you would be doing whenever you get an exports order. उन्होंने shipment किया order लेने के बाद, और जैसे ही goods was to reach the port of Africa, unfortunately the buyer stopped responding to the phone calls or to their mails. Hence, in order to not incur losses or destructions of their goods, they looked out for an alternate buyer. अब जैसे हर एक बार बिजनेस में होता है, हमारी दिक्कतें जान के लोग हमसे डिस्काउंट मांगते हैं. इनके साथ भी यही हुआ, एंड द सेकंड बायर आस्क्ड हिम फॉर अ डिस्काउंट व्हिच दे रेडीली गिव. अब इशू यहाँ पे ये आया कि बिकॉज ही वाज एन MSME and he had directly routed the documents, the original documents of the exports to the buyer. उसने बैंक के थ्रू रूट नहीं किया था, which is mandated for any non-status holder or a non-EOU under FEMA and RBI guidelines. इसकी वजह से एक और बड़ी दिक्कत हो गई उन्हें. The 25% discount that he had to give to the buyer, he could not get an ECGC refund because ECGC कहता है कि we want a confirmation from the bank that the documents have been routed through them, and because they did not route it, the bank was not ready to share this particular confirmation with them. So yes, they were able to sell the goods, but they were not able to recover the 25% discount, which they thought would be easily recovered through ECGC claims. So in order to not face similar situations like Shobham Agri, one of my customer, you should know that as the customs, the GST, the HSN codes, so is FEMA a very integral part of any export-import business. अगर आप में से कोई ऐसी कोई भी दिक्कत या जानकारी जानना चाहते हैं, you can connect with us. Our contact details are there.